In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the TradingView platform to enhance your trading skills and maximize your insights. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer, this guide will walk you through a straightforward method to analyze stock data using TradingView's replay feature. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to access this tool, but also how to tailor it to suit your trading needs. First, let's start at the beginning. Head over to TradingView.com. If you haven't used this platform before, TradingView is one of the most comprehensive and user-friendly platforms available for tracking and analyzing stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other financial markets. Once you arrive at the home page, ensure that you're logged in or create an account if you haven't already. Having an account will allow you to save your configurations and preferences for future sessions. Now that you're on the TradingView platform, navigate to the chart section. This is where you'll conduct most of your analysis. Here you'll see a wide array of tools that can help with everything from basic charting to advanced technical analysis. For today, our focus will be on the replay functionality, a feature that allows you to review past market data as if it were happening in real time. This tool can be incredibly valuable for those who want to backtest strategies or learn from historical market conditions. To find the replay button, look towards the upper toolbar of your TradingView chart interface. Once located, simply click on it. This will activate the replay mode, enabling you to review historical price action. Now, it's important to note that the replay feature allows you to select a specific point in the past where you'd like to begin your analysis. It essentially rewinds the market to a specific date and time of your choosing, allowing you to watch what unfolds from that point onwards as if it were live. After clicking on the replay button, your next step is to select a time frame. The time frame can significantly affect the insights you gather, so choose one that matches your trading strategy. Whether you prefer to trade on a 1-minute spectre for a quick scalping session or a daily time frame for swing trading, the choice is yours. TradingView provides great flexibility here, so don't hesitate to experiment with different settings to see what works best for you. Remember, the replay feature is a powerful tool for gaining a deeper understanding of market behaviors. By revisiting past market scenarios and observing how different indicators perform, you can build a more refined trading approach. Utilize this function to practice your strategies without risk and learn from the outcomes. As you become more comfortable navigating TradingView, you'll likely find it an indispensable part of your trading toolkit. And that's it for today's guide. With these steps, you're now equipped to use TradingView's replay feature to enhance your trading acumen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights and tutorials. Happy trading!